It's Christmas at Home Depot. Friends, I highly recommend you visit for live Christmas trees. Live is your vibe. $59 for 67-foot Fraser firs. $79.98 for 7 to 8 foot tall. And if you need one of those big boys, 8 to 9 feet tall, $129. I'll save you the trip. They're double this at the Christmas tree farms and lots.
Happy holiday. It's your girl Candy K. All day. Bringing holiday cheer from me to you. Content magic to my candy crew. Shop talk season, pull up the seat. Ideas dropping, making channels complete. Thumbnails pop, CEO on the rise. We're cooking up wins, going live on the side. Let's all unite, sharing love on the way. Uplifting everyone, that's Candy K all day. Keep shining, keep climbing with Candy K all day.
Look at what's new for the Grinch. It's another Grinch sighting and Sidekick Max. At 6.5 feet tall, designed to hang from your eaves or window, it's a showstopper. Pick them up at Home Depot. It's all of your favorite Grinch characters at any price point. There's a Cindy Lou Who. Sherpa socks like these in fabulous bright colors, cartoon characters. Anyone at any age would enjoy receiving these. Pick them up at Home Depot. Do you see who I see? It's Max. If you're out of time and out of options, choose a gift card at any price point. Don't forget to check the back of those gift cards and make sure everything remains intact. These are new safety features for gift cards, not just at Home Depot. Any brand gift card now comes with these safety features. Were you like me? Did you grow up with this nativity scene in your front yard during the holidays? Drop in the comments and let me know.